my God. We call it that because people say that all the time when we come over here. The real name of this area is called the Pamaba'a. It's a canoe enclosure, and also called Ho'olulu, which means the resting place. Kind of sounds like Honolulu. Honolulu means a gathering place. This is the resting place, and this is where the Hawaiians would come along and take a break from rowing up and down the coast. Get inside this little caldera, take a break. Kawaii is the oldest island in the chain. It's roughly about 8 million years old. It needs to be another 10,000 feet higher. Extend out another mile and a half. With 8 million years of erosion, you're looking at the Golden Gate Bridge. You hit the water going 140 miles an hour, so it wouldn't matter if the toes are pointed or not. Use it as a sacrifice spot to the shark god Manu. Anybody that would break the law or kapu, thrown over. And right over here we got two rocks, Fun Haters Rock and Whiners Rock. Y'all are really nice people. Sometimes I guess maybe once out of every 6 months. We'll get a whiner or fun hater, somebody that loves to complain about everything and everyone and ruins everybody's fun. Well, if they come on the boat, we put them on that rock, Fun Haters Rock right over here. Give them some warm diet Pepsi, warm diet beers, and we leave them there. Is everybody having a good time?
Oh yeah.
Great, great.
Sideways Falls coming up with my lately dancing water. Kind of our fun meter for the ride back. My lately dancing water.
They'll get seasick just watching this video, I know.
On the ceiling of the cave. Wow. When the waves are big, it'll fill the whole cave up with water and final divers will slide out. It's over here when the waves are small.
Oh, it's too little. The waves are too big. Look, Courtney. Okay.
Yeah. The name of this waterfall we're all going to say, okay? Baya.
Baya.
Hua.
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 Put it all together and you got
Baya. Hua. Hua.
Baya. Hua. Hua. This is the water from the Cape of the God. This waterfall came directly from the heavens, directly from the co-creator, Kanye. This is the last 35 feet, and it's 3,700 foot water. Only about 2 nights were bathed in this water. It was only used in ceremony. We're going to show you where the waterfall is. Kalalau Hanakoa. And Hanakoa means to make strong. It's like the Hawaiian boot camp right here. The firstborn son of each Hawaiian family would get married and be the dad and carry on the bloodline. And the second-born son was sent here at around the age of 10. So the war got coup. They always fought to the death, taking no prisoners. They fought with clubs and spears. And did a lot of their fighting right up there in the water to protect the women and children. They fought over land and water rights. Water meant food for your family, so they fought to the death. Once they were warriors for the rest of their lives. Hanakoa Falls back here falls 1,000 vertical feet into an Olympic-sized pond with wild ginger growing all around it and exotic birds flying in the air. Really paradise. Yeah, you can hike right there. 6 miles in and almost a mile back.
This can be utilized. And one day we brought Ronald McDonald out here. He's got the concept of drive through an archway.
Why, Mom? She said, because if the sunlight touches your body, you'll be turned to stone. One night her children did come down to this beach, playing with Hawaiian children, having a great time. And they were having such a great time, they didn't realize it was becoming morning. And as they were trying to ascend back into the heavens, the sunlight came over this ridge here and touched their bodies and turned them to stone. Now, Keke Onakaivi, the children of the bird goddess, are still in stone today. And each pinnacle has a Hawaiian name to it. But we want to go and have lunch and stuff, so. The valley is named after what the children did. The Kalalau goes back 3 miles to that 4,000-foot ridge that you can't see right now because of the clouds. But this is where the Hawaiians grew most of all their food. About 300 acres are all terraced off for their staple diet: banana, sweet potato, and that delicious taro that we all love so much, poi. Who likes poi? Raise their hands. Drop hundreds and hundreds of meters out in the sky. Of course, we made a joke out of it. So that's a heck of a way to start your marriage, in a hole and on the rock.
All the way out here on the Pali coast. These damn chickens again. These damn chickens all over. Look at that. Chickens. See, this is where we had the picnic. These tables. Out over there's the ocean. Okay, oh, there goes Joe. He's trying to go to the bathroom. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, there's him again. This is where the Zodiac dropped us off. Now we're out here in this forest. Look at this. It's all trees and everything. Yeah, we're hiking up in the forest a little bit. And all the ocean is right over there. And then over here it goes up and there's a cliff out there. When we get to the end, I'll show you the cliff. See, there comes other people. Okay, be right back. This is getting ridiculous.